When you're working creatively in Photoshop, the last thing you want is to be stopping and starting just to zoom in and out. I don't use the magnifier tool at all. Instead, I set up a few preferences so I can move around my image naturally while I'm working. Let me show you how. Here is a composite image that I created, generated the background, the boy and the leaves with AI. With this kind of work, I'm zooming in and out constantly to see the detail. If I'm masking, I need to come in and zoom in close so that I'm seeing what I'm actually masking. But what I'm using now is my mouse instead of the magnifier tool. What I see is people doing this. They'll come over, click on the image, they've got their magnifier tool, they'll do a click, they'll zoom in, they may then want to zoom out, they'll right mouse click, click fit on screen, then they go, oh no, I need to zoom in closer. Again, right mouse click, choose 100%, and then they'll use the space bar to move that around. I find that time consuming and distracting, particularly when I'm doing detailed work like this. What I'm going to do is show you how to set up your preferences so that you can use your mouse to zoom in and out freely. By default, Photoshop doesn't click onto these features. You actually have to go in and set them up. Let me show you. To set this up, I need to go into Preferences. Now, I'm working on a Windows platform. If you're on a Mac, it may be a little bit different, but you still need to go into your Preferences. I'm going to come up to here, Edit. I'll go down to the bottom, choose Preferences, then I'll go to Tools. The three ones that I like to have set up is Zoom with a scroll wheel, Animated Zoom, and a Zoom resizes windows. Zoom with a scroll wheel allows me to use the scroll that's on my mouse. If you don't have a scroll feature on your mouse, this won't work. The animated zoom means that it flows smoother and quicker if you're using your scroll wheel. Zoom resizes windows. It's still the same feature where you're using the scroll, but it resizes the windows automatically for you. Once I've got those ticked, I'll click on OK. Let me show you in a practical way when I'm working how I would use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out quickly. Why I like using the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. One, it's quicker. I can zoom back and forth as I need when I'm doing particular work. For example, I can actually see that there's a little distractor near his hair. So instead of me going up to the magnifying glass or right mouse click or use a shortcut key, I'll just then go to my mouse and use the scroll wheel up and back. And it just makes it so much quicker. Now I can come in and I'll go, oh, there's that distractor. I'll zoom up a little bit further and I can see now that I need to get rid of it, but I don't want to get rid of his hair. And this is what zooming in gives you that view to do the detail work. I'll come up now, I'll get my removal tool. I'll just make sure that it's big enough or smaller. I'll come in and I just go over that. I've got rid of it. Oh, now I can see there's another one there. Maybe I want to get rid of that. Now I want to continue with my workflow. All I do is use my scroll wheel and I come back and I get it to the size that I want. If I want to come back in and I want to maneuver around the image, I'll hold down the space bar, I get my hand and I'll just slide it up, down, left or right, depending on where you want to work in your image. By setting up these preferences in Photoshop, this speeds up your workflow, particularly when you're doing, as I mentioned, composites, digital art, detailed work. Set them up and they're there. and have fun being creative. Thanks for watching.